What's up?
So like screen's still fine though, but it's just bulging out. It just keeps on down.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And you guys.
You said it turns on?
Yeah, it turns on, but like it has to be on the charger or.
Yeah.
An iPad. We need the battery replacement.
Okay. No worries. Just fill this out right here.
Sure. Are you gonna give me a code after this, or?
Yeah, I'll check. Can you see the iPad? Can I see the iPad?
Will you look at the batteries are right on my?
Okay. So if it is the battery, let me look this up. It's the iPad 8.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, iPad 8, or 8
generation.
Let's see how much. Okay. I'll let you know.
Thank you.
The number you gave is yours, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'll text you when it's ready. Okay, take care.
Got 6 years.
Good to go now.
Alright, man.
If you can, I'm pretty sure did you follow us on social? No, did you leave a review?
I didn't. I will though.
Just scan that. It really helps us, man.
I got you.
It helps us grow. If you feel comfortable. If not, it's okay. You can keep testing your phone. If everything works, let me know. You know, a week from now how it goes. This is. And if you can't throw this out,
Oh yeah, I got
kind of
you.
dangerous.
Alright. I got you, bro. I'll leave you a review.
Take care, man.
Alright, take it easy.